Hello everyone, Kayla here with my hair update and length check. I film these videos every 6 months. I do check my length every 3 months, but I don't think everybody wants to see a video every 3 months. That's a little bit much. So in these past 3 and 6 months, I'm gonna talk about both periods of time because it's 6 months for you, 3 months for me. I have definitely gotten into like the big loose wavy hair, so I have done several hairstyles on stretched hair that were not wash and goes. And then there was a time where I did like, I think I did a week or two where I was wearing my hair in a bun because I really wanted to wear a bun. And then the last 2 weeks I was wearing hair that was not really defined because the gel was, it just wasn't good. It was Icy Fantasia. I just wanted to revisit it to see, you know, if I still didn't like it. I still don't like it. And so then I just recently tried another gel, and this one, my hair is actually defined. I don't know if the camera is picking up. My hair is actually pretty well defined. It's just the very front is not defined because that part of my hair is very difficult to define. So yeah, like I'm finally back, but I admit to you guys, basically this is me admitting to you that I have not been super consistent with the whole wash your hair, wash and go, leave it alone, keep it, blah, blah, blah. I've been doing other stuff. Been doing stuff in my hair in this time period. Also in this time period, I did take Sugar Bear hair vitamins. This link check will be the one link check in which I had taken all 3 of the bottles. And you can see for yourself if it made a difference, if I got above average hair growth. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can go check out my Sugar Bear hair video because it's not really that old of a video. I didn't put it up that long ago. So without much further delay, I'm going to show you both the 3-month comparison and the 6-month comparison of my hair length. So I also decided to put in a year comparison as well, just for fun, because it's really great to see how much your hair has changed in a year. And I have a cute kitten who has decided to hop into my lap while I'm filming this video. I'm sure y'all heard her making noises the entire time in the background. So anyway, I can honestly say that Sugar Bear hair did not make much of a difference in the length of my hair, if anything, but I did get a lot of my hair past the number 9, past the number 8 line onto number 9. It just depends, because I was trying to stretch my hair. I was struggling. There was a lot of struggle in this most recent link check, but I will say that I think I'll say the bulk of my hair is just past 8, and then I got some hair past my, I don't know. Y'all, you can see for yourself what you think, but my hair is growing. It's not no crazy retention like someone who only touches their hair once a month and blah, blah, blah. But I think that I'm okay with the progress that, what are you doing? I'm okay with the progress that I've made because I want to be able to wear my hair the way I want to wear it. And I want to be able to have the hair that fits into my lifestyle without just trying to grow my hair to some goal or some length or whatever for what, you know? So this is the update videos are getting shorter and shorter and shorter. I have less and less to say. We might have to just go back to regular old link check and run type videos, it's little 2-minute videos because they're getting shorter and shorter. But if you have any questions for me, or you have any comments or anything like that, definitely leave it below in the comment section. Engage with the video overall. So thumbs up, even the thumbs down kind of help me a little bit. And then share the video with your natural friends. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. And stay tuned because I think it's going to be a good one. Hey, you want to let the people see you? You want to let the people see you? You want to let the people see you? That's you, look. You see? That's a cat. That's you. I look like crazy lady. Okay. All right, I have to get up to turn the camera off. Okay, turn the camera off.